I think that this camp is so special and unique because the girls are getting to learn so much technical stuff and they get to use their hands and they're building stuff. So I think it's like such great exposure and knowledge for the girls, something I wish I had back when I was their age. I think it's awesome that they get to be learning this hands-on.
It was interesting to see how much we learned in like one day.
It's like, wow, in one day you get to see so many things. It's a real life experience.
Very real life.
That's the most important thing I think they're learning is that, you know, you can't just wing it all the time and you're gonna make mistakes, but that's okay. You can back off that drill and redo it and it's okay. It's all right. This is preparation for their future, and this is something that many young women like myself and other people don't even get a chance to experience. And I can only imagine where I'd be today if I did.
You know, when I was in high school, I didn't know anything about these programs. I wish I did. It's a good helping start. It opens a window to employment for a lot of people.
My daughter Lillian, we signed her up for Camp Nawick because she is wanting to also become a journeyman wireman and absolutely loves working with her hands and being creative. I'm just really thrilled for the opportunity that she sees, that the sky's the limit. Nothing's holding her back.
These girls are so smart, and we need women to grow our industry. That's like an untapped resource. They can become our future construction leaders.